You didn't find their perfect rate or approve their loan, but thanks to you, it's theirs. As a mortgage broker, you think like an accountant, read like a lawyer, listen like a therapist. Your 80-hour weeks result in one word that starts their next chapter: approved. And when they're locked out, you find a side door because you see a life behind a loan. You're behind their dreams, and Free Mortgage Rate is behind yours. Free Mortgage Rate amplifies your compassion with technology so you can navigate the paper trails and open doors and dead ends with more freedom and less friction. So your clients get home faster, and so do you. We're always building towards a better future, right alongside you, because home ownership is just a dream until a mortgage broker makes it real.